are the polymers and what are the things that we need to know about the polymers. Hope this will be a nice, fine session. Okay, if you don't know anything about polymers or you know a lot, you can join us here because you are going to be a master. You are going to make a PhD in polymers after this. So you bring a piece of Lego with a favorite piece of Lego for you from your toys. It looks like that. And you are going to call it a one piece. So it is a what? It's a monomer. Monomer means a one piece, but because you like it a lot, so you have many of this in the same look. So you take it and you just put it beside the other one, and then you join it to two more, and then you have four of it, and then like that. So you keep playing with it and adding 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 from the same, from the same what? What do you prefer, Arabic? You join them together, the same monomer again and again and again until you make a big or maybe a very big structure. This structure is repeated units. What is the name of each unit again? Monomers. They make a very big structure. The structure name is a polymer. So the polymer is the monomers repeated many times, the same monomers repeated again and again and again. How many? It will be 100, 1000. It's a very long chain, like a very long necklace made of monomers. So this is basically the polymer and its definition. Monomers joined together to make polymers. There are two types of polymers. It depends on how we are going to join them together. Later, we will know the types of polymers. We are not very much interested in these types now, but just for the reference, we are going to write in very tiny letters. I think if you are studying before coming to this video, so you will know that already there is addition and polymerization. If you are very new and you don't understand anything in school and just came, so don't worry about these names now. We will tell you about them later. Okay, what is the important bites that you want to take from this lesson? The first bite is that, just opening the syllabus like any other teacher. So you make sure that you know they are very big molecules. They are very large molecules. You must know that. And that they are made from the small molecules. This is very small molecules usually. Okay, so how do you name the monomers? This is a very easy job because we already have taken a lot of organic. So we know the name of the monomer, like for example, what is the name of that? Because you are a master of alkene now. So you know that this is an ethene before coming to us. So the favorite piece of Lego, you have taken it and kept it with another piece and with another piece and another piece, and you join them together. So you got the polymer, which is made from the ethene. Very good. You know already that all you have to do is put this inside a bracket and then write the letter poly outside. So write the letter poly outside. So you are good to go. What if your monomer was made from a propene? So all you have to do is to bring your monomer together and then join it many times, many times, many times. So what you are going to get, again, write the letter poly, P-O-L-Y, and then between brackets, put your repeated monomer, which is the propene. You will get the name of the polypropene. So this is the name of your polymer. That's very easy. So you can simply put any monomers together and you will form the polymer. Okay, mister, I know all that. You didn't add anything. No, just stop before thinking that this is easy. Make sure that your polymer has a certain condition achieved. What is that? The monomer that you have had must contain a part that helps you joining it to the other Lego pieces. So it should contain a part like that, and the other Lego piece can contain it. So this piece can be locked with this piece, and this can be locked, because if your Lego part doesn't allow being fixed to other parts, like you are is a cheap type of Lego that you have brought and they don't fit together, so you will not be able to join them together. In the chemistry, this is the same. You should have a place in your molecule that helps you to join this molecule to the other molecule, so they can fit together like that. What is the name of this piece in the chemistry? You should have a double bond. This is our secret link. So you should have a double bond that helps you to link them together. If you don't have this double bond, you will not be able to join them together. You will not be able to join them together. You will not be able to stick them to each other. If you try to stick them to each other and then you put them together, then they look nice. But then once you hold it trying to show it to your mother, then you will see that they will fall apart. So you will see that they will fall apart. Why they will fall apart? Because you did not stick them together with correct bonds. So what are the bonds? The double bond is our secret. How do the double bond make bonds? So meaning that it is from alkenes, right? And do you remember when you are studying the previous topics that alkenes are unsaturated? What was the meaning of unsaturated compounds in alkenes? Very good. They contain double or triple bonds. The unsaturated compounds contain double bonds according to our syllabus. In other compounds not in our syllabus, they have triple bonds. So they were very useful compounds because you can make what? You can do what to them? You can do what? Can you do preposition to them, or you can do multiplication to them, or you can do addition to them. You can add atoms to them. Why? Because there is a place to add. They are not saturated. They are not saturated. They are not busy like your mind. Your mind is very tiny and very saturated, and there is no place to carry any information inside it, and you are crying in the exam because it is full of chemistry. Oh no, it's not full of chemistry. It's full of TikTok videos and many things. So it's not free. It's saturated. But our compounds, luckily, are better than you. They have an empty place. They have an empty place. They are what? Not saturated. They are unsaturated. So there is a lot of place to put things. Where you are going to put things? If this is a double bond, it's like a table, and many pieces want to sit. So these four people have already sat on the chairs available. And luckily, there are more chairs for people to sit. So these two guys want to sit and look here, but they found that there are no places. They want to sit. This hydrogen atom and this hydrogen atom, they want to sit. So they come here up and look, oh, there is a nice table. We want to come and join you in food. But unluckily, there are no chairs. No, there are chairs. Where is the chair? It is just hidden because there is not enough people. So we kept these two chairs under the table. Where is this chair? There is one electron here and one electron here. What did the electrons do? The electrons make a bond. What is the kind of bond that can be made by the sharing of two atoms? The kind of bond that can be made by sharing of two electrons is called what? Covalent bonds. Covalent bonds, very good. So you can make these two small. You can make these two small, and then you can see what's happening here. Let's try to make this a little bit bigger to understand. This carbon atom and carbon atom, actually, when you try to draw them in the covalent structure, how do you draw it? Are you good in covalent compounds, or you need to see our video for that? So you can tell me how many electrons between these? Carbon-carbon double bond. How many electrons? Every Every electron, guys, you are not going to take the Google with you in the exam. So the carbon double bond, you don't need the periodic table in that. It has two covalent bonds, one covalent bond, three covalent bond. Mister, you already gave the answer. You have two covalent bonds. So how do you join them together? Four electrons. Excellent. Every bond contains two electrons. So one from here and one from here, one from here and one from here. Very good. If you want to use some of the chairs, you can take them because I'm not using them. But take care. Don't take all of them. Why? Because if you take all the electrons, what's going to happen? These guys are going to fall apart, right? If you take the two electrons, oh my God, I was linked to this carbon. I never liked him. I was just sitting because these electrons was rotating between us. Now the electrons are going, bye-bye. I don't want to see you again. Come, please. You have left some of your electrons with me. Take them. I don't want to see them. Oh, no, take it. I don't want to be negative after you. I'm happy in my life now. Yeah, because if I have extra electrons, I will be negative. I want to be positive. You are divorced. Bye-bye, carbon. Oh, yeah. It's a difficult life. I'm a carbon. I like sharing. I like caring. Please bring me back. I can't stay alone. I have to make four bonds. I have to marry four women, and you are the one of them. I cannot stay with three only. Please bring me back. Please bring me back. Okay, come on. But at least, can you take these two electrons? They were very noisy, just rotating all the time, rotating all the time. We're not using them. Okay, but take care. If you take out these two electrons, we will be having only what between us? A single bond. It's enough, a single bond. We just need one kid between us. We don't need two kids. Our life will be calm now. Okay, but what do we do with these two chairs? Just keep them aside here. Maybe somebody is gonna need them one day. Oh, I wish there were more electrons, because if there were more electrons, we would be able to share and sit with these guys. Oh, didn't you hear the last part of the video? They said they already have two extra electrons that you are not using. Really? That's nice to hear. Can we use them? Yes, you can use them. We don't need them. We already have one bond between us, and we don't need these two electrons. Really? So you don't need these two electrons? Yes. Wow. Okay, please, you take this electron. I will take this electron, and we are going to do something nice here. I'm a hydrogen. I'm a proton. Okay, proton. Let me think. How many electrons do I have? Just one mesquite electron. That's it. I need to make a bond with this carbon. If only this carbon has another electron free so I can bond with it. Come on. You didn't see the video? I do have an extra electron. Come, please. Oh, you do have an extra electron? Please help me. Let's make a bond. Wow, that's so nice. I really like it. Oh, I'm the Harjan. I wish I can do like you and bond with these guys. They have very good food on the table. Oh, you didn't know? They have one electron here sitting without doing anything. Really? Where is that? It's here. Okay, I'll just bring my electron and come. I have the fork. Here is the spoon. Let's eat. Oh my God, we have changed the double bond into two electrons unused, and then we have made a new bond with the hydrogen. We have made an addition. So that bond that was made to the hydrogens actually originated from the two unused electrons by the carbon. So this bond was broken down into how many electrons? Two electrons, and then the two electrons were used, one here and one here. And who came? Two other atoms. The atoms has how many electrons to use? This only one electron. So it was able to do a bond with this. So any atom that has an extra electron can come now and make a bond with us. But sadly, we'll be only having our only bond between us. We cannot make other bonds. No, you have two more electrons. Ah, didn't I tell you? We already have many bonds already. So I am having a bond between who? Between who? Oh, let's clear it. This carbon now has one bond here. But before having one bond, how many bonds were there? Two bonds. And any other atoms linked? Yes, every carbon has four. It was linked to this guy already, and linked to this guy already, and this was linked to this guy already, and linked to this guy already. Why? What was the structure name? It was C double bond C, H here, and H here, and H here. Now, what do you want to do? Add extra atoms. Where do you add extra atoms? When you add extra atoms, the reaction is called to alkene. What is that reaction called? It's called multiplication, purification, addition. It's called an addition reaction. How do you add reaction? You add atoms by breaking the double bonds and changing it into single bonds. So one of the chairs has been broken into two chairs and new guys sat on the table. So how can you do that? If you have a double bond and an alkene, you can add two hydrogen atoms. This is a double bond. What is its name, this organic compound? One, two. I'm not a math. I don't like it. I like ethene. So if you break the bond, how many electrons will you make? I'm gonna make two electrons. So take one, put it here, take one, put it here, make a new bond with a hydrogen and hydrogen. Can you straighten things up and make this look better? Yes. Which grade you are in? I'm in college. I'm the best person in the world. Then like that, like that. Oh my God. Then like that. Like, what's happening? I'm not in college. I was joking. I'm in grade 11. I'm in IG. Okay, okay. You told me you are college. You are the one who lied. Okay, okay. Just draw it the normal way, please. Okay. C, C, and then H, 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 and then H. Oh, finally we did it. We have two more people on the table eating now. But, oh my God, there is no double bond anymore now. What's happening? I'm not an ethene. I still have two carbons, so I'm still an eth. But now I am a what? I'm ethene. Oh my God. It looks like the master has forgotten the topic of this lesson. Let's go back and remember what was the topic of the lesson. Oh, polymers. Why you are explaining addition reactions? I have no idea. Maybe we are going to need it now. Yeah, I'm not crazy. I'm just want to continue explaining. When you try to do you want to do the rest? When you add H2O, what do you make? OCH, H, 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 H. If you have just studied alcohols for your next exam, this is an alcohol. The hydration, catalytic hydration of ethene, which means addition of steam under high temperature, brings you an alcohol. If you have added bromine, then you have added a dibromo to your alkene to form a dibromoethane. If you added a chlorine atom, ClCl, so you get a dichloroethane. If you get an I2, Mister, do you think I'm a magician? Yes, you are, because you know that diiodoethane. Iodo? Yes, iodo. Hey, what are you doing today? I think you went to the college today. No, I didn't. What you were doing, I would know. Okay. So if you added bromine or iodine, that's nice. But if you want to add a big molecule, can you do the same? Yes. I have the same conditions. I am an alkene. I want to open the double bond. I want to change it into single bond. No, I'm doing the same thing. It's the same thing. Who said substitution? Why you are saying substitution? It is the same thing. Why substitution? Did the people sit on the in the chair or they have to throw people some outside? When they sat here on the chair, these two high chlorine atoms, did they kick anybody out? They just found new chairs and they sat down or they kicked somebody out? Mister, if they are just sitting by bringing some chairs, where did they bring the chairs from? From the double bond. My God, you forgot what we have just explained few minutes ago. We removed the double bond and changed it into a single bond. We removed the double bond, changed it into single bond. We removed the double bond, changed it into single bond. Please say sorry. Alkene, double, single, it's an addition. Alkene, double, single, it's an addition. You add chlorine, it's a dichloro. You add water, it is ethanol. You add H2, it is an ethane. You add Br2, it is dibromo. You add Cl2, it is dichloro. You add I2, I don't know. Iudo, maybe. You add F2, it is fluoro. You don't know anything about English. Yes, it is a fluoro. Tetrafluoro. Why you are saying tetrafluoro now? There is no tetrafluoro. I'm only one here sitting. Is this a difluoro or it's a difluoro? Oh, when this guy is going to talk about this topic of today? We already how many minutes now? Guess it. I'm in the middle of the topic, but I want to get my head up and see. It was alkenes. It was addition. It was saturated. It was unsaturated. What kind of sea I've been into? Oh, let me tell you why you find it difficult, you small head. You didn't study the previous lessons and you want to come to the polymer sea. You are going to drown. Please go back and study the lessons before you come up. Okay, if you did, then you are going to find this easy. If you don't understand anything from what you are talking, you have two options. Either you drown in the sea of polymers, or I'll give you a chance to go and see the other videos. Now subscribe and like, otherwise you will get drowned in the sea of organic chemistry. You will find a lot of videos in our channel in alkanes, alkenes, esters, and everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you get locked out. Now, what do you want to add? I want to add this one to this one to this one. Do you have a glue? Yes. I don't need a glue. They can just join each other. No, I need a glue. Well, do you have a glue? Yes, I need a glue. Glue for what? For addition of monomers together. What kind of glue do you want? An addition monomer. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, sir. How can I help you, sir? I need a glue for monomers. I want to join monomers together, please. What kind of glue you are looking for? A monomer. A monomer want to join a monomer. What you are talking about? What monomer? I'm not saying a monomer. I'm saying a monomer. A monomer? What monomer? Get the hell out of here. Oh my God. How dare you say these words? We are inside a chemistry lesson. Oh my God, out of here. Don't say these words. Oh, what happened? I was just going to this glue job. Oh, glue shops trying to find a glue for the monomers. What a stupid student you are. Why? I'm stupid. Yes, you are stupid. The guy told you you don't need a glue. You have the glue stuck inside the monomer. What? Yes, he said the glue is inside there. You have a double bond, you stupid. Oh, the double bond. That's how I'm going to join the monomers. Yes, this is your alkene. Then H and H and H and H. Then join them together. Oh, where is the glue? I don't see anything. Oh man, you go and bring some cup of tea and then try to see the video from the beginning. You cannot focus for 5 minutes straight. Put this mobile aside. Okay, close the mobile, throw it. But I have an important message. Hey, what do you think you are? Bill Gates? What's important message? Get the mobile out of here, throw it on your bed. Oh, it's 5,000 dirhams. You, what do you think? You broken my mobile. Let's focus here. Now try to bring the other one, CH2, CH2, glue them together. What did he say? Let's go back and cheat. Little cheating wouldn't help. He broke the double bond. He put it into two single bonds, and then he made click addition. Okay, maybe I can do. Can you look on the other side? Yes, I will look on the other side. Let me try to do it by mistake. Maybe he will not see me. Oh, don't look. Don't look. Hey, I told you don't look. Don't look. I want to say what you are doing. Don't look. Look there. Okay, okay. I'm trying to do it. Let's do it slowly. I will remove the double bond. Here. Oh my God. I told you. I told you. Put it into two electrons. Okay, okay. I'll no. Oh, what are two electrons? Put it into two single bonds. Oh, okay. So rule. Change double bond. Let me write it on my arm so that I don't forget it in the exam. How long is your arm, man? It's very big, so it will take all the book on it. Okay, chemistry book. Wow, that was the other arm. Oh, it was on my leg. I forgot to bring my shorts. The chemistry book was on the left arm. Okay, let me read. Change the double bond into one single bond. Oh, come on, I cannot read. Is this one or two? Oh, I think some of the ink is removed, misplaced. It was one or two, one or two. It was one, or it was two. Oh, keep your eyes locked up here, man. Don't look at me. Okay, so double bond into two single bonds. That's one. That's one. Thank you. Okay, then what I'm gonna do now? What I'm gonna do now? Please put the other molecule. Add the other molecule. Okay, add it. Where do I add it? How do I add it? How do I add it? Yeah, you have to do this in every molecule. How you are going to glue them if you don't put the glue on both sides? Are you crazy? Yes, when you try to glue two pieces, you have to put the glue here and here. I think you are not just stupid in chemistry. You don't know anything in life. You are just mocking me because I'm new in this lesson. Wait until you see when I'm answering questions. Double bond. So change it into double bond. Change this double bond into two single bond. Change the double bond into two single bonds. Oh, there is some sentence here written in small. I didn't see it first. That was step number one. Find the double bond. Find the double bond. Oh, are you stupid? Of course I can find the double bond. Okay, then you do this. See, see. Oh my God, where is the double bond? Where is the double bond? Where? Here. Here is where you will make double bond. So remove it, remove it. Please let me exercise on the easy one first. Okay, okay. So remove it and make it double bond. Okay, let's now go for the difficult one. Let's make it bigger. Magnifier, 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 magnifier. I found the double bond. Thank you so much. Where is the double bond? Where is the double bond? This is the magnifier. Okay, what do you want me to do? Remove the double bond. I removed it. Where do you keep it now? Put it here and here. You stupid! It was not on that carbon. It was on two carbons. Oh, okay. So one here and one here. You stupid! It was one for each. Okay, so you want me to find the double bond. I got it. You want me to define the double bond? Put a single bond in one of each of the two carbons linked. So one here and one here. Is this what you meant? Yes. Okay, now I can do it. Okay, let me just delete it and do it again. Okay, it was a double bond. So you remove it and then you put one single bond here and one single bond. I told you you're stupid. One single bond on every one of the two carbons that were linked. Where were they linked? This one and this one. Can I make a mark because I get lost easily? on this one and this one. Remove the double bond. Ah, so you mean one bond on this and one bond on this? Okay, yeah. Okay, I put the glue here, the glue here, the glue here, the glue here. Now, what is the next step? Oh my God, I remember what happened yesterday night. My arm finished. I didn't write the rest of the steps. The rest of what? The rest of the steps. Let me come to you. When you put the glue, what do you do? I stick the two things together. Then stick them before I come and stick your head to the wall. Okay, okay, don't shout. Don't shout. Okay, stuck. What is that? You put two monomers together? Okay, thank you. What is the next step? Ah, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna eat you alive. Ah, I'm mad from you. You just stick more together and that's it. Have you been focusing since the beginning of the student of the lesson? Student, mister, you lost focus also. Since the beginning of the lesson, have you just do more of that? Do more? Is that it? Yes, do more. One more monomer. What? Oh my God, what is that? It become a murmur. It become a murmur, not monomer. Oh my God, a murmur. It's a monomer. How many times I'm gonna shout to you? Monomer. Mister, you don't know how to spell. Oh, sorry. Mistake, by mistake, oversight. Monomer. It's a monomere in French. It's Italian, yeah, mister. Monomere. Okay, let's ask Google, how do you spell monomer in Italian? Monomere. Amare. Okay, so you keep sticking more and more and more and more and more. How many? Maybe 10. I see you Googling. I told you through the mobile. I see you. I told you to through the mobile, you stupid thing. You are not going to go anywhere with this mobile beside you. What was that? Did you find it? No, I want you to Google something more important than Monomori. I didn't see you Googling anything important, only in the stupid things you are Googling. Can you Google for me how many monomers can be in a polymer maximum? Maybe, maybe 10, maybe 100, maybe 1,000. It won't be big, Yani. I don't have time to put all this glue. How many monomers maximum can join in a polymer? What? What is the number that you got? 4 to millions. Millions. Are you kidding me? Yes, you can make millions of polymers together. How big is that? Oh, that will be very big. Let's draw it. Let's draw a million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, you have time? 11, 12, 13, 14. 5 minutes later, 1,005. Why are you looking at me? You are teasing me, right? You are intimidating. 2000, after 5 minutes, 2020, 30. Oh, it can be very. Imagine how long it is. What I'm gonna do with this? I'm gonna do something better. Put it. Not in a bracket. I'm gonna do something useful with it. The most famous thing ever made by human beings for polymers is this small, tiny, stupid thing. Do you know what is it? No. What is the most stupid thing the humans have ever made with this polymer thing when they thought it is important? Plastic. Everywhere, in the water, in the sea, around the turtles' necks, in the air, everywhere, plastic bottles, plastic cups, plastic, everywhere. Mister, it's no problem. Why you are making a problem like the propaganda? It's big problem. Go to the internet and try to find plastic everywhere, plastic everywhere. Mister, can I ask you a question and don't cry? Yes. What was our topic today? Oh, you are getting me every time. Polymers. Mister, I have another biology session after this. Can you please finish the topic? Okay, I'm gonna do it. But before using plastic, remember how many bonds you want to break before getting rid of this plastic. Not much, mister. In order to get rid of this plastic bag that you think is simple thing and will not do anything to the environment, remember you have to break all these monomers from each other. What? Yes, that's why you cannot get rid of plastic. That's why it's everywhere. That's why it's making the people crazy. That's why everybody is talking about it. Is talking about it. I have never seen anybody talking about plastic or its problems. All the activists of the environmental plastics are talking about the activists and sitting in front of the Oh, the activists. I don't care about the activists. I care about my biology session, which is in 10 minutes. Can you please finish the topic? Okay, but promise that next time you are using a plastic bag, you will remember how many bones you need to break. Millions of bones before you can get rid of it. It won't disappear easily. It will stay there. Okay, now what do you want to do? I have added millions of monomers together and made even the Legos that you are playing with might be made of plastic. Plastic? Yes, what did you think it was made from? Iron? Gold? Plastic is everywhere around you, making everything easier, making our life easy and making our life difficult. Please think more before you use plastic. Mister, the lesson. Okay, let's put a mark here that reminds us always where are we? We are in the polymers. Exactly. IGCSE. Oh, why you didn't tell me? I am a GCSE student. Goodbye. Salam alaikum. Thanks for this part. Oh, you can't go if you don't want to know what will happen later. What is going to happen later? I know everything now. Yes. Can I test you? Yes. Test me, mister. Let's make this an easy. CL. Oh, that's because you CL. Just remove the CL and do it. No, no, I'm gonna test you on something more easy to prove that you are stupid enough. I'm stupid. Yes, we want to leave us and we are in the middle of the lesson. Mister, I have something to do. Come on here, you small bag of I have something to do. There is something that you have to listen to. Mister, just join them together. Yes, join them together. Oh, not this one. Not this one. Join what together? Join the monomers together. That's very easy to do. Break the double bond. Where is my arm? Where is my arm? Let me read what's written on my arm. What's written? Tell me. Break the double bond. Break the double bond. Oh, you don't annotate while I did not allow you. Please. Please. We have people here watching. We have people watching. This is a video. This is not a lesson. Please, please don't play here. Go and play on your book. All of you are anxious? Okay, no problem. Open your notebook. See if you can do it or not. If you can, write in the comments. If you failed, let me know. Oh, you did it? You are going to leave also with this guy? No, please stay. I need viewers. Please, I need likes and subscribes. Please don't go. Bye bye, mister. We did it. Oh, you didn't do it. Thanks God. Okay, let me see. I have a student here beside me. I'll give you 10 seconds while doing it. Wow, what a student. What is it? You redraw it again? Oh, you are just doing the first step. You have removed the double bond. Okay, I thought you finished it. Anyway, you did it correct. So CH and H. Now you have a double bond. Where do you put the double bond? Where did you get these hydrogen atoms from? Fail. Let me get the paper for you. Fail. This is not addition of hydrogen. Use little small bag of I'm going, I have something to do. Come back here. Mister, I have something to do. Come back here. I said come back here. You failed the most easy one. Come back. I don't want to come back. I don't want to come. Please come back and listen here. Leave everything in your hands and come back. Mister, I have added two hydrogens. What's the problem? Who told you we are adding hydrogens? We are not adding hydrogens. We are adding the monomers to each other. Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry. I just want to go. That's why I make everything fast. Okay, where do you add it? I don't know. Add it here, add it here. Oh, add it to the same carbon atoms that we're making the double bond. One single bond for each. Okay, how do I add the other monomers? It is the same, so copy and paste. Mister, did you forget I am having a pencil and a paper? I don't have a laptop like you. I'm drawing with a... Okay, go and make it on your tablet. I don't have a tablet. Go and make it on your laptop. I don't have a laptop. Okay, that's another. Can I meet you in the business lesson after this? Yes. Why, Mister, you want to see me in the business lesson? Because I want to tell you, I don't care. So I'm gonna join this. It's a copyright. I'm gonna join. How I'm gonna join it? Put it here. Put it here. Oh, it's not that easy as I thought. That's why I told you to stay. Before putting these things together, make space for the glue. What? Make space for the glue. Take these two guys. Why everything become very small? Small, tiny. Take these two guys and make them on the right place. What is the right place? Yes, the right place. This is the place where you put the glue. So make it empty. How do I make it empty? Take this guy, put him here. Oh, but what did you do that? Because I need a place for the glue. What is the place? Yeah. So this guy, take him, put it down here. Mister, what did you do? I didn't do anything. I just moved these people so that I have enough place for the glue. Why? Because they need to join here. So this one need to join him here. If you didn't make these right places empty, if you didn't make these places empty, how you are going to join them? It will be a difficult job for you. So before even removing the double bond, step number one is to make this empty places on the right, empty places on the left, empty places in your mind. Second step, break the double bond. Break the double bond. Third step, change the double bond into 5 single bonds. 2, I'm coming back for you. You are making too many mistakes and I'm getting crazy. 2 single bonds. Where do you put them? And here. Okay, now you can make the copy. Make the copy. Now put them together. Put them together. Stuck one more. Thank you. One more. Thank you. One more. Okay, draw a million. I cannot draw a million. Then what to say? Better than saying a million, there is something in chemistry that helps. Make this a little bit longer. Even this longer. Put a bracket here and here and write N. What does N stands for? Any number that you want. Start, please. Can you stop thinking? Stop singing. Your voice is very bad. Please, I need to go and sleep. Please finish. Is there anything else that you want to say? Yes. If you have anything dangling from the compound, just keep it up and down. What? Yes. If you have C, double bond C, and then H, and you have a little dolphin here. What? A little monkey. What? Yes, if you have a little monkey, let him dangle as you want. What do you mean by a little monkey, mister? Anything that's dangling from your compound. Anything that's dangling from your compound. Don't care about it if it is big or small. Just keep it attached and draw it as it is. What does it mean? Like that. If you have this carbon dangling monkey from it, then keep him like that and then do it again. Mister, I don't understand anything. This is CHH. What is this compound, mister? It is Mancolo, one Mancolo ethane. ethene, mister. One monoethene. One monoethene. The IUPAC company is looking for you. There is a chemistry teacher. We have found his location. He is in UAE. He is in Dubai. Are you sure of his location? Yes. Send the FBI, mister. The FBI is in USA. I don't care. Send anybody. Kill him. He is destroying the IUPAC laws. He is saying Mankulu. Ah, hello, IUPAC company. I have a monkey dangling from my double bond. What do I call it? Wait, I don't know the answer to that. Bring me the supervisor. Hello, supervisor. I have a monkey dangling from my compound. What do I call it? Sorry, I don't know the answer to that. I will give you my supervisor. Hello, supervisor. I have a monkey dangling from my compound. What do you call that? Oh, I was sleeping. What are you talking about? A monkey dangling from your compound? Why did he close the line? I have nothing to do. Okay, just let me do I will see the naming later, but let me do the polymer. Okay, they give me this in the exam, make a polymer from it. What the heck, I don't know what to do. I will just follow the same rules. So remove everything from the sides and keep it away. So this hydrogen, I will delete it and draw it up and down, up and down. Remove this from here, keep it up and down. Thanks God, the monkey is dangling from the side. If he was, come on here. I was not talking about you. If he was dangling in anywhere, I have to put him up and down. Leave the sides empty, please. Why do you want to leave the sides empty? Because this is where we are going to stick everything. So make it free. What do you mean by making free? Make it free. Remove the double bond and make single bonds. Then copy it. Mister, hello? IUPAC company? Yes, sir. I just want to ask a small question. Aren't you the one who called 5 minutes ago? Yes. The one who's saying Mankulu? Yes. Okay, I was. Oh my God, he's just closing on me every time. I want to ask. I have an exam tomorrow. What to do? Okay, I'll just copy it and do the same rest. So, Mankulu, what is the name? He said put poly and then put what to write? Mister, I have a compound to name. Hey, this guy is making me crazy. And who is still using normal phones, by the way? You are the crazy one. Poly, Mancolo. Oh my God. Okay, just copy it and copy it and copy it, and you have your own polymer. Oh my God, it become murmur. Help me, help me, it become murmur. It become murmur. Help me, help me, help me. So copy it and put it here, and copy it and put it here. Now I need to make the structure in the exam. What did they say? Make it like that. Put this as the background. Make your brackets. What did the brackets look like? What did he say? I can see you. Even the brackets you cannot draw. It was like that. No, no. It was like that. What is a bracket is that? It was like that and like that. And what was that letter? Oh, a monkey M. You are the monkey. Uh, what was the letter? What was the letter? It was N. N stands for number. Oh my God, khalas, you don't have to make smart on me for everything. Then that's it. But what can I ask you a question? Are you a chemistry teacher? Yes. But why did you put a monkey and make this stupid story? Because I want to tell you that whatever is inside here, you can just put it dangling and then don't care about it. Are you sure? Like if you have this compound in the exam, it says H and H and H and C, 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 C. This is your monkey dangling, right? What to do with the monkey? Keep it dangling. Yes. So what do you mean by keep it dangling? It means draw it as it is in the exam. What? This is what you meant by the monkey dangling? Yes. All you have to do is to follow the same rules. What are the rules? Remind me. What are the rules? Remind me. The rules are no, that's not step one. That's not step one. Step one is to make the sides empty. Take this guy, put him down. Take this monkey, put it down. Yes, dangling, right? The bond, we remove the bond. Don't remove the bond. Don't, murmur, murmur. This bond, take it here, put it here, here. It's not rotating. I have a lesson. Shut up! Don't you see what we are in? So, what did you do with the monkey? I just draw him the same thing. So just copy whatever is in your exam down. All your eyes are on one thing. What? Focus all your eyes on one thing. On what, yeah, mister? Not your big nose. The double bond. The double bond. Okay, got it. And then what to do? The next steps, idiot. Double bond, remove it. Make two single bonds. Draw the bracket and end. By the way, in the exam, there are usually two types of questions. Draw polymer without stating the number of monomers. How much I draw? 5, 6, 7. How many he will be happy is this examiner. Put an N for him so you make him happy. The old saying says if you put an N for the examiner, he is very happy. Why? Because he is a... Shut up! What do you think this is a chemistry lesson or you are making fun of people, you little... sorry, bye-bye. The second type of question, when he asks you to specifically draw two monomers. Mister, but I can draw more. He asked you to draw two. You stupid, you draw two. If you draw three, you fail. Okay, I'm going to listen to him. Three monomers. I draw five. Hey, how many monomers you draw in the exam, guys? I draw five. Oh, didn't you read the question? What? He said draw three. Really? He said that? Oh my God. You didn't read the questions, didn't you? No, I just saw the molecule sitting there and just copied it and started drawing. Don't do that. Read the question. Oh, I remember somebody who says this too much. Oh, your mommy. Yes. Now, if he asked you to draw two, please draw two. If you asked you to draw three, please draw three. Sir, I want to go to the bathroom. Yes, please go to the bathroom. You have to identify the repeated units or linkage in addition polymers and condensation polymers by yourself. Mister, what does this mean? This is the second type of questions where you are asked to reverse the process. What do you mean reverse the process? You have to move backward. What do you mean I have to move backward? Ah, now I can understand this teacher and what he is saying. I know his style. What do you mean? He means that you have to move with your face to the front and your back to and start moving like that. You stupid. This does not mean moving forward. No, he said like that. I will keep moving forward until I get out of here. Come, stupid. Reverse the process means change the polymer into a monomer. What kind of a student you are? Change the polymer into the monomer? How do I do that? Break the Lego into one unit only. How do I do that? Reverse the steps, you stupid. Are you 5 years old or what? No, I'm just a chemistry student who hates chemistry. Then you like and subscribe, and I will be sure that you don't hate it anymore. I Now I've just changed it from a person who hates chemistry into a person who hates chemistry and has one more channel in his subscription. I don't care about that. Let's go to reverse the steps. What were the steps? Look at your arm and read them from the end. What happened to your arm? Ah, I think I wrote too much on it that I have lost some fingers. Okay, let them put it back. What kind of fingers is? What kind of an animal you are? Reverse the steps, please. The last step was join together. No! Remove the brackets. Remove the brackets. Remove the letter. What was the letter? I will never remember you little... I'm saying you little n. Remove the n. Okay, then what was the previous step? I cannot move backward. I'm bad. Even when my mommy was asking me to count from 10 to 1, I always failed. I'm telling you, you are 5 years old. Why did you come to your session? I like your voice. So why you are here? I was always thinking from the beginning of the session that you are 5 years old. No, I'm 7. When you remove forward, you have to change from N and then change the double bond. Oh, you don't have a double bond. You have a single bond. Question, do you have double bond in your polymer? Only if you have more than one. If you have more than one, then one of them will change into single bond and the other one is gonna stay. Oh, what do you mean? You mean I will not change all the double bonds into single bonds? No. Has this ever came in an IG exam? No. But if I am an examiner, I will do it. Ah, I wish you will never be an examiner. Why? Because everybody will pray that you die in the same day of the exam. Thanks God. Even me, I don't like to be an examiner. Why? Because I don't want to be an X. I want to be the new one. Mister, what kind of a pun is this? It's a pun that I put to the students who stay late with me until the end of the video. Because if you stay late until the end of the video, this means that you are a noob. This means that you are this guy with the glasses who are always studying. Look like, if you look at me now, then most probably you look like that. And your hair looks like that. Oh, no, mister, my hair does not look like that. I am sure 99% that your hair looks like that. Mister, I came to the wrong channel. I think I came to the intimidating channel. Yes. Didn't anybody tell you what does IGCSE stands for? It stands for international. No, intimidating is general rule for all chemistry students ever. Oh my God, I was thinking it is international general. Oh, who told you like that? This is our intimidating channel. Oh my God, then I came to the wrong channel. I told you from the beginning I am GCSE. Oh, so you are just a general chemistry student without intimidating? Let's add intimidating to you. No, no, take it away, please. Oh, please, can you book back the part where you have to remind yourself every time where are you? Oh, so single bond, you have to change it back into double bond. I don't know. That was a single bond. So you have to remove these two single bonds and make one double bond. Is this correct? Yes. And then what to do? That's it, done. Can you give me an example? An easy one, please. Okay, I will tell you, since you have stayed all this time with me, I'm gonna give you a gift. What gift? An easy question. What easy question? Yes. Change this polymer into monomer and go home. If I did it, I will go home. Yes. Then I'll give you an easy one. I think you are here to make my life hard. Oh, how did you know that? I think that's all the teachers of chemistry trying to do in my life. Oh, how did you know that? I think that was why chemistry was done at the beginning. Oh, how did you know that? Please change this into a monomer. Were you able to do it? I'll give you 10 seconds. That's too much time. 10, 5, 2, 1. What kind of counting? I told you I cannot count backward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you get the answer? No, mister. I'm gonna go to the biology section. Goodbye. I will drop chemistry. Good to do that. Thank you so much. I don't want this kind of students with me. What kind of student? Ah, remember the name of the challenge. Intimidating. GCSE students. Okay, our student is international. So, oh my God, how did you come here? You are a smart student. Mister, I was not able to do it. So this means that I'm a stupid student? No, it doesn't mean that. It means that you are good in other things. Okay, thank you, Mister. Oh, don't tell him this is the thing that we say to the stupid student. I hear that. Yeah, yeah. When we don't want to tell a student that he is stupid, we just tell him that he is good at other subjects. Okay, thank you, Mister. You see, he believed it. I hear that also. Okay, believe it or not, but that was an easy question. Remove the duplicates and then change the single bonds that were here into a double bond in the middle. Okay, Mister, but what about all these things? I told you, imagine they are dangling monkeys. So imagine that this is a monkey. All you have to do is do what the monkeys do. Okay, but what do monkeys do? I told you you are 7 years old. Even the 7 years old will do. The monkeys copy. Yes, they copy you. So imagine that you have monkeys and start copying them only. That's it. Oh, I answered the question the same way. I just copied everything. How many monkeys are we going to have here? Monkey. So thank you so much. If you've been following us, you have learned a lot today with Mr. Hisham Mahmoud and the International GCSE or the GCSE or whatever EDXL or whatever type of chemistry you are studying. I think you will find our video very nice. And please subscribe and like our video. Why you are speaking like that? Isn't this what you are speaking like in the TV ads and in the YouTube ads? No, Mister, nobody's talking this way anymore. Please try to talk in the TikTok way. Join us. Please subscribe, Mister. No, anybody is watching YouTube anyway. So I have to put this video on the TikTok? Yes, Mister, but make it a little bit more shorter. Why shorter? Mister, you've been explaining 2 lines in the syllabus in 1 hour. You didn't notice? Oh, that's why nobody was joining and seeing the video. Oh, yes, my friend was telling me I have a nice video on addition polymerization. I asked him how long. He told me 1 hour. I told him that's close to Titanic. In Titanic, they went to the ship drowned, they died, and all this happened in 1.5 hours or 2 hours. And you have been explaining two sentences. Please continue. What do you want to say? Anything else? Yes, we didn't answer even one question. Why? Because that's what in our next video. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Start. They don't even speak like that. You shut up. You didn't even answer what I answered. I answered. Oh, practice and see you in the next video. Bye bye, you little N.